Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to actually create a circular array of LEDs. This is very challenging. Um, Took me a little bit to figure it out, but maybe I'm just a little slow. Anyway, to do this, we start by typing a command. And you type run command draw. And what that does is it invokes a user language program. And there are lots of different user language programs. We'll talk a little bit about them when we talk about bills of materials. But these are basically scripted programs that can be run in the Eagle environment to do all sorts of things. But typically they're created by individuals who want to perform a certain task. So in this case, if we hit this, what it does is it allows us to create an array. And it could be a rectangular, circular. In this case, we want to move these parts. The first element we're going to move is LED 1. And we're going to start at 60 degrees. This is starting at this point here on the right would be 0 degrees. Angle step, whoops, and we're going degrees per step. Angle step is minus 30 degrees. And in order for it to completely go around the circle, we have to have a value at the angle end of a slightly higher value than angle start, which you can see down here. And that'll go 360 degrees. So if we click on circle here, you'll see that all the LEDs are grouped down at the bottom. And if I click OK, what it'll do, whoops, I left off the radius. That was the problem. We got a 2.5 inch radius that we want to have that the circle is rotating around. So we're going to move. We're going to start with LED 1. That's the first element. The radius is going to be 2.5 inches from the center to create that circle. Starting at 60, going in minus 30 degree steps, which makes it clockwise, and the angle end is 61 degrees. We also have to make sure that we have degree steps selected and that we're doing a circle. So if we click OK now, what it does is it calculates all the positions for all the LEDs. Now some of these aren't too difficult. For example, the right angle ones are not difficult, but the other ones require quite a bit of precision. So if I click this, boom, it creates this nice array of LEDs with 12 at the top and going in a clockwise circle.